Hello guys, welcome. So Instagram Music isn't showing all songs for you. Don't worry, I'll walk you through how to fix it. So firstly guys, understand that Instagram Music availability depends on your region. So some songs are restricted due to licensing. So if you don't see them, it could be because of location. Also guys, the next step is going to be updating your app. Okay, so you go into your Play Store, go to Instagram. If you see an update button in here, update it. Also, you can go back into here, manage apps and device, and updates. And if you have Instagram update available here, just go ahead and press on it. Also, guys, you can check your account type. Business accounts may have restrictions on some songs. Switching to a personal or creator account can restore full access. So if you've just created an account and you're not a company, you already have a private account, so that's no problem. But if you're a business, then yeah, you can try switching and checking again. Also guys, you can try clearing your Instagram cache. Let me show you how. So you go into your apps, long press, app info, then you go to storage and press on clear cache. And this helps if problem is caused by outdated data. So in general, at the end, if you're still missing those songs, it's probably because of the regional restrictions, and sadly you can't do anything about that, except maybe for using a VPN. So that's how you fix Instagram Music. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe.